Hey Sam, if Steve let you pick any gun in the store for free, what would it be?
Any gun?
Any gun.
Well, I'll tell you what. There's one that's a little bit out of my price range that I would love to have, and that's going to be this guy right here. This is an FN Scar, chambered in 7.62 by 51 or 308. This thing actually was a candidate for military trials way back when, a few years ago. Didn't quite make it. It still does see some service, but this thing is an awesome little shooter. Short stroke piston. The old versions had a reciprocating charger handle. They fixed that issue so you don't have to break your thumbs no more. But it's a nice little shooter. It's a good DMR. All around just a nice gun, but unfortunately a little pricey, but for free, oh, I'd take it any day.